I definitely think that there were moments where I thought I wouldn't play a game of basketball again. I remember when I was on the floor, I was telling myself, you know what, worst case scenario is going to be 6 to 8 months, ACL and everything. It ended up being way more than what I thought. I don't think I met a single person who told me that you shouldn't retire after that type of injury because you can barely walk. I remember right before suffering my knee injury, I was playing the best basketball in my life. I had to accept that I was not going to be the same player. I was not going to be the same human being, but that doesn't mean I can't be a better one. The biggest struggle I had to go through was just really finding myself and finally realizing that I'm more than a basketball player. I feel like today I'm able to step out of the game any day, any seconds with no regrets. I'm not able to lift my foot, and that is a fact. I accepted that. So how do I move on now? And I feel like Sprystep really just changed my life.
Drop foot's a major life-changing event. Most people who end up with the symptom of drop foot have a neurological condition which is now with them permanently. So this injury often doesn't recover fully. So the use of an AFO is not only for the immediate aftermath, but is usually something the patient will wear for the rest of their life in some kind of capacity. What the Sprystep does is this inserts into the shoe and attaches up to the calf, and it helps maintain the foot and ankle at 90 degrees so that they don't catch their toe when they're walking or they don't trip over, and it helps them with a more natural gait. A lot of the patients we see are looking to return to work or to normal daily life, as what we would call it. John's case is interesting because his normal daily life is world-class athlete. John's story is an incredible story for anyone in determination and focus, being consistent and sticking to your goals. If you do all of those things, John's story is an illustration of what's possible.
I think there's nothing such as a dream that is too big, and with crazy faith, I'm 100% sure you will get you wherever you want to go. As crazy and as unique and as unpredictable my return was, I just kept on having faith that I was going to be able to play this season. I always believe that people won't remember how much money you make, what you did on the basketball floor, but how you made them feel. When I was going through my rehab, I really wanted to be the anchor or just the light for people who just come after me, be able to look at me and knowing that he did it, so I can do it.
So the impact of a device like Sprystep can be pretty huge. At one point where foot drop was a career-ending injury for an athlete, we're now able to ask the question, is it? Does it have to be? And the answer is no.